The real estate market is a dynamic landscape that constantly evolves, influenced by various economic factors, consumer behavior, and societal shifts. As we navigate through 2023, it's essential to take a closer look at the current real estate trends shaping the market today. From rising home prices to fluctuating interest rates, these trends are not just numbers on a chart. They hold significant implications for buyers, sellers, and investors alike. Currently, the real estate market is experiencing a notable surge in home prices, driven by a combination of low inventory and high demand. Many potential buyers are finding themselves in competitive bidding wars, which can lead to homes selling for well above their asking prices. On the flip side, interest rates have also seen an upward trend, making mortgages more expensive and impacting affordability for many buyers. Understanding these trends is crucial for anyone looking to make informed decisions in this fast-paced environment. So, why should you care about these trends? Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, a seasoned investor, or someone considering selling your property, being aware of the current market conditions can significantly influence your strategy. For buyers, knowing that home prices are rising may prompt you to act quickly before prices climb even higher. Conversely, sellers might find that now is an opportune time to list their homes, capitalizing on the high demand and favorable selling conditions. In essence, staying informed about real estate trends is not just about numbers. It's about making strategic decisions that align with your financial goals. By understanding the current state of the market, you can navigate the complexities of buying or selling a home with confidence and clarity. So, let's dive deeper into these trends and explore how they can impact your real estate journey. Rising home prices. In recent years, the trend of increasing home prices has become a defining characteristic of the real estate market across various regions. This surge can be attributed to several key factors, primarily driven by heightened demand and limited inventory. As more people seek to purchase homes, the competition intensifies, leading to bidding wars that push prices higher. Additionally, the inventory of available homes remains low, which exacerbates the situation. When demand outstrips supply, prices inevitably rise, creating a challenging environment for prospective buyers. For instance, in cities like Austin, Texas, and Phoenix, Arizona, home prices have skyrocketed over the past few years. According to recent data, the median home price in Austin has increased by over 30% since 2020, while Phoenix has seen similar trends, with prices climbing nearly 25% in the same time frame. These statistics highlight how specific markets are experiencing significant price hikes, making it increasingly difficult for first-time buyers to enter the market. The implications of rising home prices are profound for both buyers and sellers. For buyers, the escalating costs can lead to affordability challenges, forcing many to reconsider their budgets or even delay their home buying plans. With interest rates also on the rise, the financial burden becomes even heavier, making it crucial for buyers to act strategically. On the other hand, sellers find themselves in a favorable position, as the high demand and competitive landscape can lead to quick sales and potentially lucrative offers. However, sellers must also be cautious. While they may receive attractive offers, they need to consider where they will move next in a market where they too will face rising prices. Understanding the dynamics of increasing home prices is essential for navigating today's real estate landscape, whether you're looking to buy or sell. Interest rates. Interest rates play a pivotal role in shaping the real estate market, directly influencing mortgage affordability and buyer behavior. When interest rates are low, borrowing becomes more accessible, allowing potential home buyers to secure larger loans with lower monthly payments. Conversely, when rates rise, the cost of borrowing increases, which can deter buyers from entering the market or force them to adjust their budgets. This dynamic can significantly impact overall demand for homes, as higher interest rates often lead to a slowdown in sales. Recently, we have witnessed fluctuations in interest rates that have caught the attention of both buyers and sellers. As of late 2023, interest rates have risen to levels not seen in several years, with the average rate for a 30-year fixed mortgage hovering around 7%. This increase has been attributed to various economic factors, including inflation and the Federal Reserve's efforts to stabilize the economy. Looking ahead, experts predict that interest rates may continue to fluctuate, with some forecasts suggesting a potential stabilization or slight decrease in the coming months. However, the uncertainty surrounding economic conditions makes it challenging to predict the exact trajectory of rates. For potential homebuyers, timing is crucial when considering financing options. With interest rates currently elevated, buyers must weigh the benefits of purchasing a home now against the possibility of waiting for rates to drop. Delaying a purchase could mean missing out on a desirable property, especially in a competitive market. On the other hand, locking in a mortgage at a higher rate today could lead to increased monthly payments, impacting long-term affordability. Ultimately, understanding the current interest rate landscape is essential for anyone looking to buy a home. By staying informed about rate changes and their implications, buyers can make more strategic decisions that align with their financial goals and housing needs. New construction developments. The trend of new construction is reshaping the housing market in significant ways, providing fresh opportunities for buyers and influencing overall supply and pricing dynamics. Across the country, several key areas are experiencing substantial new construction projects, particularly in metropolitan regions where demand for housing continues to outpace supply. Cities like Nashville, Tennessee, and Raleigh, North Carolina, are witnessing a boom in new developments, driven by an influx of residents seeking job opportunities and a higher quality of life. The types of properties being developed vary widely, catering to diverse buyer preferences. In urban areas, high-rise condominiums and luxury apartments are becoming increasingly popular, appealing to young professionals and empty nesters looking for low-maintenance living. Suburban developments are also on the rise, with single-family homes featuring modern designs and energy-efficient amenities attracting families seeking more space. Additionally, mixed-use developments that combine residential, retail, and recreational spaces are gaining traction, offering a convenient lifestyle that resonates with today's buyers. The impact of new construction on overall housing supply and pricing cannot be overstated. As new homes enter the market, they help alleviate some of the inventory shortages that have plagued many regions. This influx of supply can stabilize or even lower home prices, providing more affordable options for buyers who may have been priced out of the market. However, in high-demand areas, new construction can also lead to increased competition, driving prices up as buyers vie for the latest offerings. Moreover, the appeal of new construction often lies in the customization options available to buyers, allowing them to personalize their homes to fit their lifestyles. This aspect can make new properties particularly attractive, further fueling demand. As the trend of new construction continues to evolve, it will play a crucial role in shaping the future of the housing market, influencing everything from pricing to buyer preferences. Market predictions. As we look ahead to the coming year, expert predictions regarding the real estate market suggest a landscape that will continue to evolve, particularly in terms of home prices and interest rates. Many analysts anticipate that home prices will stabilize after the rapid increases seen in recent years. While some markets may experience slight declines, others could see modest growth, driven by ongoing demand and limited inventory. This stabilization could provide a more balanced environment for buyers who have faced fierce competition in the past. Interest rates, on the other hand, remain a focal point for both buyers and investors. With the Federal Reserve's ongoing efforts to manage inflation, many experts predict that interest rates may remain elevated, at least in the short term. However, there is also speculation that rates could begin to decrease as economic conditions improve, potentially creating a more favorable borrowing environment for home buyers later in the year. This duality presents both challenges and opportunities for those looking to enter the market. For buyers, the potential for stabilized home prices may offer a chance to purchase without the fear of escalating costs. However, the continued high interest rates could still pose affordability challenges, making it essential for buyers to carefully assess their financial situations and explore various financing options. Investors, on the other hand, may find opportunities in emerging markets or distressed properties, as the shifting landscape could lead to favorable investment conditions. Staying informed about market changes is crucial for anyone involved in real estate, whether you're a buyer, seller, or investor. By keeping a close eye on expert predictions and adapting strategies accordingly, you can navigate the complexities of the market with confidence. As we move forward, being proactive and informed will be key to making sound decisions in an ever-changing real estate environment. As we wrap up our exploration of the current real estate landscape, let's recap the key trends we've discussed. First, we examined the significant rise in home prices, driven by high demand and limited inventory, which has created a competitive market for buyers. Next, we delved into the impact of interest rates, highlighting how fluctuations can influence mortgage affordability and buyer behavior. Finally, we explored the trend of new construction developments, noting how they are reshaping housing options and contributing to overall market supply. Understanding these trends is crucial for anyone looking to make informed decisions in the real estate market. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, a seasoned investor, or someone considering selling your property, staying updated on these developments can help you navigate the complexities of buying or selling a home. Knowledge is power, and being aware of market dynamics can significantly impact your financial outcomes. We encourage you to engage with us further. If you found this information valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and updates on real estate trends. By liking this video and sharing it with friends or family who may also benefit from this information, you help us reach a wider audience and continue providing valuable content. Your engagement not only supports our channel, but also fosters a community of informed individuals ready to tackle the real estate market with confidence. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable insights in the future. Stay tuned, and remember, being informed is the first step toward making smart real estate decisions.